Welcome, curious minds, to a world of knowledge and discovery. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're thrilled to have you here as we tackle Pantydraco. Pantydraco, where panty is short for Pant-y-ffynnon, signifying hollow of the spring well in Welsh, referring to the quarry at Bonvilston in South Wales where it was found, was a genus of basal sauropodomorph dinosaur from the Late Triassic of the United Kingdom, Wales. It is based on a partial juvenile skeleton once thought to belong to Thecodontosaurus. Only one valid species of Pantydraco is recognized, P. caducus. Let's now shift our focus to description and explore the ways in which it shapes our perspective. Pantydraco was of moderate build. The creature had a long tail that tapered towards the end and was broad at the hip joint. It had a pointed head with a strong jaw. The forelimbs of the dinosaur were developed for grasping while the hindlimbs were adapted for supporting the creature's body weight. The center of mass lies near the pelvic bone, suggesting the creature was bipedal. The forelimbs were shorter than the hindlimbs. The hands had 3 movable digits while the 4th digit was embedded. It had well-developed claws. The juvenile fossil's estimated height is from about 0.7 to. Adults are believed to have been about 3 meters longitude. The estimated weight for an average adult of this species of dinosaurs is about 50 kilograms. Thus, the creature was fairly gracile. The teeth were well developed. Brace yourself for a captivating discussion on discovery and naming as we explore its nuances and implications. In 2003, Yates named the new species Thecodontosaurus caducus for BMNHP24, a skull, a partial jawbone, and vertebrae of the cervix, an incomplete right pelvic bone, and partial forelimbs of an immature sauropodomorph that had been discovered in 1952 by Kermack and Robinson. This material had been known in the scientific literature since 1983 and had been used to represent the genus Thecodontosaurus. However, changed understanding of the relationships and characteristics of basal sauropodomorphs, also known as prosauropods, has led Peter Galton, Yates, and de Kermack to give T. caducus its own genus. The genus was named after the Pant-y-ffynnon quarry where it was discovered. Pantydraco takes its name from the Pant-y-ffynnon quarry, meaning Valley of the Spring, and Draco, a dragon or mythical dragon-like creature in Latin. This is because the quarry is located near Cowbridge in the Valley of Glamorgan, in southern Wales, at the base of a mountain between 2 rivers. As Y means of the in Welsh, the genus name is somewhat grammatically incorrect. The species epithet, caducus, means fallen in Latin, referring to the assumption that it fell into a fissure-filled quarry and died there. Moving on to the next segment, we have paleobiology. Pantydraco is considered to have most probably been omnivorous, being at the transition from carnivory to herbivory in the sauropodomorph lineage. It is probable that Pantydraco would have walked bipedally. Moving forward, we'll be taking a closer look at paleoecology. The Pant-y-ffynnon region was a characteristic wetland during the Triassic. The area consists of alluvial silts deposited by the rivers and sand and limestone. The climate ranges from arid to semi-humid. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.